Hi guys, today we're back with another World of Warships Legends video, and we are back from where we started today, right after the introduction video. We're back on, and we're gonna grind to get the American battleship, the what's it called again? The New Mexico. Anyway, now, so for the New Mexico, gonna hop on standard. I mean 19,000 to boost it. I'm gonna need 2.4 million, which you'll be able, which I can get one out while I'm not doing YouTube. Anyway, let's get into it. Last video I showed you my build and my commander, and what I have as my thingies, my boosters and stuff. Anyway, we're gonna be carrying on. We're just grinding to get that New Mexico, guys, because I've seen its power. We've got a ship similar to it called the Arizona. I've had that for quite a while now. It's a premium battleship. Yeah, pretty nice. And I'm also soon, probably in a couple of months or about a month-ish, we're gonna have a new ship, new premium called the New Orleans. No, it won't. I forgot now. It's not the New Orleans. I forgot now. I'll show it you after this video's ended. Anyway. Oh, nice, we got buy-in. There we go, Normandy. Then they go Normandy. Trying to think of what it was called. It probably isn't the New Orleans. Or New Orleans, however you pronounce. So this guy, is that guy setting a smoke screen? Fam, why'd you set a smoke screen? Why is this Icarus setting a smoke screen? I mean, that's good for us actually. Let's just slow down, because we'll have a nice gunning point here. Phew. How have we been spotted? We're on a flipping smoke screen. What's the point of a smoke screen anymore, guys? If we're gonna get spotted, what is the actual point? I don't get it. I just don't. That's just confusing me. What the? What's that guy gone? Oh, we got 2 medals. Devastating strike and first blood. Everything was wrong, God. I think that is the only American cruiser with torpedoes, the Omaha. But we're gonna give him something when he comes around this corner. Or he is not gonna have a good rest of his day when he comes around this corner. Hello, sunshine. It's like we're in versus AI right now. It's so easy. We're just gonna pop their health because why not? They're so easy. I can't tell where that Normandy's facing. He's probably gonna shoot at me right now.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
Why did my guns not shoot? Right, I was pressing trigger right there. There we go, finally I can shoot. one shell did 1k. Oh, I don't believe we're already up to 40k. Why did my sister just say the name John? We have a neighbour called John. So, I think we do. Pew! Pew! Get him, guys, let's get him. Let's bring him down to the butter barn. Wait, are they tops? Are they tops, honey? Hello, sunshine.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Of course it's tops.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to starboard. Hold below the waterline. We're flooding quickly.
Okay, that didn't go to plan.
Problem solved, sir. All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
We shouldn't have stopped there. Wow, how are we doing no damage? Like at all.
Fire on the enemy warship.
Give me cover fire, Pensacola? Dallas. Dallas, give me cover fire. That's a Dallas. That's a good Dallas you have right there, boys. Oh. Think twice when you try shooting a good guy.
Nice work. I owe you one. Requesting support.
Why did I just do them commands? Right, first I did nice, like, well played, then I did thank you, and then I do like, I need support. Hopefully that guy's range only 16.2 1. Is that guy that got the King George or something, like King George? Need to go cap more areas back. We're losing. How are we losing, boys? Boys, how are we losing? I want answers like right now. Well, that guy's 20 kilometers away.
Reporting position all stations. Concentrate fire on the target.
Be 20 kilometers away, so I'm correct. Be, come on, guys. Okay. So we're gonna go cut this area, and yep. I don't know. This Normandy's getting closer, so I think we're just gonna go get this area. I don't know if that's a friendly or an enemy screen.
Torpedoes direct front.
They're not friendly.
Torpedoes dead ahead. Torpedoes to port.
Icarus, 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 Icarus. This is probably a risky move. Yet risky move, risky move, risky move. This is, that we shouldn't have done that.
Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes dead ahead. Torpedoes to port.
Yeah, we've lost. I mean,
Torpedoes direct front.
I've lost. Anyway, unlucky. This Bayern. Oh, this. I'm rooting for this Bayern. Or this see about your aim, Mr. Dallas. See it. Just watching this guy. Look at these shells go, boy. Look at these missiles. Look at these. Yeah. Yo, this battleship is getting beaten up. Whoa, these shells are just flying now. Look at these shells. Oh, them shells are good group together. Who are you shoot? Oh, it's the Icarus in there. Blow that Icarus up. Kill them. Oh well.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
Wait, how was this guy outside the border? That's stupidly weird. My sister's such a weirdo. She's just shouting all the time. I don't get why. What is the point? 1 minute, guys, I'll be right back. Sorry, my sister's being a pain right now. Sorry guys for all this interruption. Oh wait. Okay, how's this Bayern doing? So we got them at Suki. How are we doing, guys? I don't think we've won this. Okay, well, I think their destroyer is, yep. Their destroyer's right there. Come on, shoot it. That caster's dead. No doubt. I think this Omaha might be some torps. Fam, have you not seen these torps? Okay, one less ship for us to worry about. Oh wait, Bayern's on fire. Who is it? How is the Icarus still taking alive? It's up to this Omaha and this Matsuki. He's taking some shells on that side. This side is like perfectly clean, but that side is banged. They're back at sea, guys. Go to sea. I mean, well, you are at sea. I can't, and that's just weird. I'll just say that. Anyway, we did good in this match. We spotted 3 people. We got 23 shots. Got 4 citadels, 2 ships blown up, 1 secondary shot, I'm guessing that is. And we've got 2 medals, devastating strike, and first blood, we got 50k. Decent. Oh. Skip to this Omaha. Yo, if our destroyer doesn't get spotted, we have a good chance of them torps hitting him. Oh, I don't think any of them torps hit. Nope. Kill him! Kill him! Anyway, we did lose. Probably. Yeah. It was a good game, but we just didn't win that one. But it's alright. Anyway. Pretty good. So yeah. The result came 3rd. Nice. Now, how much closer are we to our New Mexico? A bit closer. What we can do is we're not going to buy it, but we're going to boost from here. We should buy it. I think we're going to buy it, guys. Here we are, guys. We have another new ship to add to our game place. Here we are. Still pretty close. Let's view that. We're even closer, 11k. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I mean, get your fist and absolutely bash it. And let's try and get 2 likes.